Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and current firmware so you don't install an incompatible image. Make a full backup of settings, because restoring is faster than rebuilding. Once done, download the exact firmware and verify its checksum. Log into the controller or the device's web UI with an admin account and locate the firmware upgrade option. While you're there, note the device's IP and connection type so you won't lose access during the update. You now upload the firmware to the controller or push it via SCP/SSH to the device. Choose the method recommended for your Ubiquiti model. Make sure you're in a maintenance window and you've informed users, and temporarily disable jobs that might interfere with the upgrade. Start the upgrade and watch the progress indicators and syslog. Keep an SSH console open if possible. If it stalls, don't power cycle immediately. Take note of error. After the device reboots, confirm the reported firmware version and run core health checks like connectivity, routing, and GUI access. Re-enable services progressively and validate configurations. Make sure radios and VLAN came up correctly. If something broke, restore your backup or, if unresponsive, use the device's bootloader or TFTP recovery procedure. Having console or serial access often saves a bricked unit. One troubleshooting tip. If networking fails, use the console to inspect boot logs before attempting a reflash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.